It's me again. Hello, me. It's me again. No, this isn't a bench cleaning video, even though it looks like it right now. I got a new tool today, and it's not Allen keys. I was just getting them off my bench here. I picked me up a brand spankety new used. Let me fix this thing up here a little. Brand spankety new hammer used. It's a big sucker. It says on it, Warren 1.5 number. Hold on, let me get the little pinchy thing here. Let's see what it says. We will reveal to the audience. Warren number 162. See? Warren hammer. Looks like it's a little worn out there. Anyway, no article. I'm not collecting hammers. But when you see a nice hammer like this, real cheap, I mean, I like most people, I like weird hammers like this. I mean, obviously I don't like hammers like Arco does, but you know what? It's like this one. This is a nice one. Nice and square, looks nice. The handle's probably going to fly off on me. But you know what? I thought it was cool. I also have an anvil. I don't have many blacksmith hammers, and this looks like it's been taking a beating. It also is crooked. Anybody know if this hammer is supposed to be crooked like that? Or is this thing just going to like take my head off? Anyway, you'll probably see another video looking like glass. Well, not glass, but looking like chrome. I'm probably going to pop the handle out, see if it's broken, and make a new one because it's all cracked and weird. And that little like slant in there scares me. It's supposed to be there. So yeah, it is my new hammer. I only have a couple of them. And like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and toodles.